The house is on fire!
Oh no!
Luckily, fire truck is passing by. Great timing!
Ah!
Fire truck.
Wow. What
It quickly puts out the fire.
Bravo! Hi guys!
Uh-oh, a big puddle appears
What
on the
is
ground.
Thank you.
The animals need to cross it.
What happened? Let's go!
Look, they walk straight through the puddle
Here!
and get all muddy.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
No!
Help me!
Ah!
Okay,
Don't worry, fire truck sprays water and cleans them up.
good job!
Splash!
I like
Now everyone is sparkling clean.
Thank you very much.
What's next?
The flowers in the field are starting to wilt.
Huh?
What happened?
Fire truck gently waters them.
I got it! Wow, it's a nice slime! Yeah!
Ah, the flowers feel refreshed and happy again. Thank you, fire truck. Wow!
Aha!
Wow!
The vegetables in the field are ripe.
Let's
Harvester
go.
starts collecting them.
It's my time!
Harvester.
I got it!
And tractor comes to help.
Bell pepper. Tomato.
Yeah!
After harvesting, the vehicles are all very dirty.
Aha! Ah!
Oh no! Don't do that!
No problem. Fire truck sprays a big stream of water and cleans them all.
Very nice! Look at this!
They're so happy.
I like it!
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.